dinosaur means terrible lizard. This terrifying creature of the reptile class lived on the Earth about 240 million years ago to 65 million years ago. In fact, the Jurassic period was during the reign of the dinosaurs. It is thought that dinosaurs once ruled the entire world except for the North Pole. There were different types of dinosaurs roaming freely in the water, on the land, in the sky, just like in today's world. The human kingdom is the world of dinosaurs. According to various studies by scientists, most dinosaurs had 4 legs, some walked on 4 legs, some on 2 legs, and used the front legs as 2 hands. Some dinosaurs flew like birds in the sky, while others roamed the water. There were also differences in size, such as Argentinosaurus, Sinismosaurus, Ultrasaurus, Brachiosaurs, Supersaurus. Again, Compsognathus was chicken-shaped. Some species were fierce carnivorous, some species were herbivores, and many species were both herbivores and carnivores at the same time. But scientists have found a number of reasons why this once terrifying creature is now extinct. Let's find out about 11 reasons. Extinction of dinosaurs as food, meteor showers, temperature change, food shortage, diseases, decreased fertility, evolution, poisonous trees, obese body, the advent of the Ice Age, sequential eruption,